Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find passwords on iOS 18. And after the update, we have an app that saves all your passwords. It's a little bit scared, but there's a very strong safety policy on. So right now, what we're gonna do is search for the app passwords. So what I show you just right here. So scroll down right in the top in your screen and then fill in password and then click on the app passwords. Now we need to Face ID this app because there's a strong policy with it to protect your passwords. But right now, if you can see, we saved 150 Wi-Fi's and we have 52 all passwords in apps that he saved for us. Now you also see the red alert sign. That means that your password is not up to date. But right now, if I go to something called Funda, this is everything you see. Maybe when I'm recording, you can see all my details because Apple is protecting your details while you're recording. But right now, if I tap on password, I can see my password in my screen just right here. So this is where you can find passwords. And when your app is not here in the list, then I think you never saved a password in that app. And then you need to renew your password. So, this is how you can find your passwords after iOS 18. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.